Alright, we're asked to evaluate this expression. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Really, this is just practice with the order of operations, or PEMDAS. And let's attack this. So PEMDAS. PEMDAS is a way of telling us the order which with we do things. The first part of PEMDAS is the parentheses. What that means is that before we do anything else in this problem, we have to tackle everything inside these parentheses first. Second, when we look inside these parentheses, we have this fraction looking thing. We're actually going to consider this fraction bar as a division, or a fraction symbol, it won't matter, but I'm going to use it as a division. And importantly, we have to do the stuff in the numerator and the denominator separate. And what you can actually think is, and what's actually happening is, there are parentheses around these expressions in the numerator and denominator. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to leave everything else the same, but what I'm going to do are evaluate the numerator and denominator of that stuff in the parentheses. On top, 141 plus 3 is 144. On the bottom, 4 times 3 is 12. It really doesn't matter which those you do in which order because they're independent of each other. And then we have this divided by 4 here, and then minus 16. Okay, the second part of order of operations, the E in PEMDAS, is exponents. And what that's discussing in this problem is this term right here, the 7 squared. So we need to do that next. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. All right, so now we have 49 plus 144 divided by 12 divided by 4 minus 16. Okay, as far as PEMDAS goes, and I'll write that here on the side here, so we got parentheses, we got exponents, and then we have multiplication and division, and then afterwards, the very end, we're going to do addition and subtraction. So just an important point to make here is the last stuff that we're going to do are this addition and subtraction right here. What we're first going to do is the division that occurs. There's two divisions, this division symbol right here and this division symbol right here. Again, those both mean division, they just look a little bit different. And here what those steps are going to look like, we always go from left to right. So we're going to do the first division, 49 plus, and we do 144 divided by 12 is 12. And then we still have this divided by 4 minus 16. Now we need to do the division before we do the addition and subtraction, which is the 12 divided by 4. So that will be 49. And then the result of that division is 3 minus 16. And now we're down to addition and subtraction. We just do this from left to right. We do 49 plus 3 is 52 minus 16, and 52 minus 16 is 36. And that is our big ugly expression that we started with, completely simplified, or in other words, evaluated.